What happens if we do 10 minutes of yoga a day? These days, more and more research has surfaced confirming that doing yoga every day is indeed one of the best ways to boost a person's mental and emotional health. On top of that, there's strong evidence that points to yoga helping alleviate physical symptoms like lower back pain, as well as those who have depression and anxiety. Yoga can even give you greater flexibility and a much-toned body. So who can say no to it really? Let's find out the other great things that can happen to you when you practice 10 minutes of yoga every day. Keep watching this video then. You build your strength. When improving fitness, most of us instantly think of pushing our limits at the gym. Weights aren't the only way to work out. With daily yoga, you can stretch and tone your muscles. Many yoga poses also work on simultaneously strengthening your arms, shoulders, abs, and legs. Your posture improves. Practicing yoga for 10 minutes daily helps correct your posture. As a result, you'll start walking taller and sitting up straighter. Furthermore, poor body posture causes aches and pains, and with yoga, you can also alleviate those. You lose weight. It's not necessary for you to do hot yoga or even bend double in yoga poses to lose weight. Even a daily 10 minutes of gentle yoga is enough to trigger your metabolic system. In the end, your fat gets burned and eventually leads to weight loss. Besides, daily yoga helps balance your hormone levels, which also aids in normalizing your body weight. You sleep better. Are you having difficulty sleeping? Is stress keeping you from sleeping soundly at night? Practicing yoga every day can reduce insomnia based on studies. When you're having insomnia, try poses like a forward fold or lying on your back with your feet up the wall. Doing so can calm your mind and body. Your immune system becomes stronger. Based on research, yoga can boost your immune system. A study has revealed that regular practice can decrease chronic inflammation in the body. This is done by bringing down the level of pro-inflammatory markers, including cytokines. You become happier. Studies have revealed that doing yoga regularly results in higher serotonin levels, aka the happiness hormone. Moreover, long-term yoga practitioners are said to have more mass in their brain areas that are linked with contentment. Another study has also shown that practicing yoga increases your GABA levels, which is associated with lower levels of anxiety and depression. You get a boost of energy. Over time, regular yoga will give you that much-needed energy boost, keeping you fresh for longer. Considering its unique synergy of breath and body work, yoga is an ideal practice when your energy reserves are low. By practicing yoga daily, your main energy centers are awakened. Many yoga poses are also perfect for boosting your energy, such as the tree pose and the cobra pose. Are you taken with the idea of doing yoga now? Ready to buy a mat then? Let us know your answers and thoughts by commenting below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.